Good morning, students. Today we'll learn law of indices. If a is a non-zero number and m and n are integers, then here the first one, a raised to m into a raised to n can be written as a raised to m plus n. The second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n can be written as a raised to m minus n. Third one, a raised to 1 can be written as a. Fourth one, a raised to 0 can be written as 1. A raised to minus m can be written as in reciprocal 1 upon a raised to m. The sixth one, ab raised to m can be written as a raised to m into b raised to m. Same way, a upon b raised to m can be written as a raised to m upon b raised to m. Eighth one, you can see that m is in small bracket and n is out. A raised to m and n outside. So it can be written, multiply that. A raised to m into n, that is a raised to mn. And the ninth one, a upon b raised to minus n. So we are reciprocating it by b upon a raised to m. Now we'll solve practice set 29. First, simplify. The first question is, now you can see two brackets, the inner bracket with 3 and the outer bracket with 4. When this type of sums comes, we need to multiply it. 15 upon 12 and 3 into 4, the inner bracket and the outer bracket. So your answer will be 15 upon 12, 3 into 4, 12. So the second sum, 3, 4, minus 2. So inner bracket and outside. So it will be 3 into 4 into minus 2. So answer is 3 minus 8. Now we'll solve the fourth sum. 2 upon 5 minus 2 bracket out minus 3. So it will be 2 upon 5 minus 2 into minus 3. So your answer will be 2 upon 5 minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. So answer 2 upon 5 is to 6. Now practice set 29. We will do the second part. Write the following numbers using a positive index. The rule is a upon b raised to minus m can be written as b upon a raised to m. How? It has been reciprocal. So the sign has been changed to minus m to positive m. Here it was a upon b. Here it has been converted to b upon a raised to m. Now we'll do the first sum. 2 upon 7 raised to minus 2. So it will be 7 upon 2 is to 2. It has been reciprocal. 7 upon 2 and the minus 2 has been changed to 2. Now we'll solve the third sum. What's that? 1 upon 6 raised to minus 3. So we'll do the reciprocal first. So it will be 6 upon 1 and minus 3 changed to 3. Now 1 doesn't have value in the denominator, so it will be 6 1 y raised to minus 4. So it will be 1 upon y raised to 4. We have reciprocal it, so minus 4 has changed to 4. So the answer is 1 upon y 4.